girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Let's play a little just between you and I'll be honest, gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Jay, Marilyn and Robert, but either way the objective is the same, to please and entertain. My big son, my better be a stain. We'll get the spotlight all night. Check every time you play. You will be my vixen as we improvise. Delivering a captivating performance every time. Why not be reactive? Pull out all the stops. You can pick the scene if I can pick the props. You love our classroom, my office, masquerade expert, an office. We can play the objective is the same, to please and entertain. My vixen, my better be a stain. We'll get the spotlight all night. Check every time you play. You will be my vixen as we improvise. Delivering a captivating performance every time. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You're trying to come back when you face. I always want to do it, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna give me a stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You try to come back when you fail. I always want to do it, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna give me a stop. Yeah. I was on this side, I was over all this. Hey, told me about all your insecurities. What dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around to save this beauty love. And like guns with the ink in you, getting under my skin. The little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah. Play me, no doubt, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces? And all the pictures that I've seen lately, Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated, I have to force it, I have to fake it. You You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You share stories where you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, lens looking jaded. Most of these things I wanna say, I wanna be around when you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You tryna come back when you famous. Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb, I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby, just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up, that's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up, little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed, I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her, she deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard, she deserves that baton. Shawty with your baton, racing through my mind like she heard that, I got that work. I heard that she been on strike, care to tell, I read your mind. She been on them dollars first, caramel, macchiatos, when Shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or ignorant with perks. I'm just trying to work that, they just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind, I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light, they just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love, maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside, I can tell you like persistence, but I make you take me tries. I just think we need one night, can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right, can't decide but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? What's the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Black drinks we call A-cups, I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right, but that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important baby, cause I'm a home man.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be.
Met you in Houston, but you from Atlanta, New York from Pennsylvania, something. Fuck all the noise, you hot, you know this, you make it easy to blow this, you know it.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I am doing a review for Sterly Hair. I've definitely worked with them in the past, and in my opinion, I feel like Sterly Hair is one of those like underdog type of companies. It's a company that actually has really good quality hair, but maybe isn't as well known as some of like the bigger hair companies out here. So I always love working with those types of companies just to give you guys those hidden gems that you may be missing out on. So today I am reviewing this gorgeous water wave unit. You guys know, I feel like at this point I'm pretty much infamous for my curly units. I love wearing curly hair. It's usually like the easiest thing to just like put on and go, and it looks great no matter what time of year it is, whether it is, you know, the summertime and you're on vacation, whether it is a winter time and it's freezing cold outside. This hair is just the perfect like year-round unit. And I love the fact that this is actually a closure unit, so you do get a decent amount of parting space on this unit. Like your average closure unit, it's not like a 4x4. It actually has a pretty decent amount of parting space. The only thing that I'm like not really liking right now is like this little line right here. Like I don't know how to get rid of it. That's the only thing that I don't like, because it looks like a little cross. Other than that, I really do like this unit. And you guys, I saw this unit straight out of the box. I did not wash this hair. I did not bleach the knots in this unit. I didn't do anything as far as customizing is concerned at all. The only thing that I did with this unit was just put a little bit of makeup on the lace, but that was pretty much it. I didn't have to do anything after that. But here is a better look at the unit. Absolutely love it. I'm not sure the inches on this one, but I could say it's between like 24 to 26 inches. When they measure these units, as far as like the inches is concerned, they go off of the stretch length. So that means however long the hair actually stretches out to is how they measure the length. It's not about like how it looks like sitting like this. And because it is curlier hair, it is going to be something that looks a little bit shorter than what it is. But I believe that I got this in a 26 inch, but from what I know, this is 180% density. So just be mindful, if you do order the 180, this is what it's gonna come like. But nonetheless, I really do like the curl pattern for this unit. I believe that this is a water wave unit, which is like one of my favorite units, like deep wave, water wave, loose wave even. Those are like some of my personal favorite textures when it comes to curly hair. If you guys wanted to know like what is the best type of curly hair to get, because there is just like the Jerry curly texture that's like super tight. Then they have deep wave, then they have loose deep wave. Those are the ones that I tend to like pick the most. And a lot of you guys love my curly units, so I think I'm a little bit of an expert when it comes to it. I will tell you this, when you wash the units and you like put conditioner on them, co-wash them, let them air dry, never ever, I see this a lot and I see it on TikTok too a lot of the times, like never blow dry your curly units unless it's like with a diffuser or something like that. But if you're just like straight up like brushing the hair out with a paddle brush, making it like all poofy, then wetting the hair, then trying to define the curls, if you guys want to get like amazing curls with your unit, stop doing that. What I do is I simply just wash the hair when I get it, put some conditioner on it, let the conditioner sit for like an hour. Like I literally let it sit and forget about it. I start running errands or doing something, you know, around the house, cleaning up or something. And then I come back, I rinse it out with cold water. Cold water, that's very important. Don't use hot water, use cold water. After I do that, I literally just hang the unit up and allow it to naturally air dry, and the curls are like perfection every single time. So if you guys are wondering like, how do you keep your units looking so great? That's how I do it. But this unit, you guys, is actually styled straight out of the box. I did not do any of that with this unit. This is how it just naturally looks. So I really do like the curls in this unit. I think they're very pretty. And if you guys want to know how to retain the curls and keep them looking brand new, follow those steps that I just told you. And here's an up close look at the unit. I really do like the lace on this unit. I think it melts very well. I'll pull the hair back so you guys can see. This is the amount of space that we got. So the tracks stop here and here, and this is what we got. And I kind of like that it's almost like a little heart-shaped type of thing. I didn't do that on purpose. I just pulled the hair out. And then for baby hairs, you know, it's pretty simple. I'll zoom you guys in a little bit. Yeah, this is what the baby hairs are giving. I really like how thick it is, but it's not too thick. Like you can still see like, you know, scalp, if you will. The only thing that I don't like is just this here, but I'm pretty sure I can get rid of that. All I have to do is just like comb it, you know, out of the way like that, maybe, you know. Voila, literally I got rid of it that easy. And I didn't put any concealer or anything like that in the part, but I do like the parting space. It actually goes back pretty far. The tracks stop like back here, so you get a lot of parting space here and on the sides. So if you guys are interested in checking out this unit from Sterly Hair, there will be a link for this unit in the description box down below, along with all the details. If there is something that I missed and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you guys once again for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.